Hi everyone, it's Janice from the Reading Train. This story is called I've Broken My Bum by Don McMillan, illustrated by Ross Kinnaird. I've crashed my bike, I've sat with a splat, I've broken my bum. My bum has gone flat. I need to fix it, not a minute to waste. I'm heading home in hurry and haste. Calamity, catastrophe, a terrible blow. My bum bits fall on the floor below. A disaster, it's true. What can I do? I have an idea, I'll get some glue. I see a tray up there on the shelf, a tray to work on while I fix myself. I find all the bum pieces from under the sink. I glue them together, pink shapes to pink. Round bits to round bits, flat bits to fit, and victory! Triumph! My bum is intact. I don't mind at all that it still has a crack. With the pieces together, my bum looks like new. But to put my bum back, I need heaps of glue. I'm steady, I'm ready. I press my bum on. I look in the mirror and something is wrong. There's a terrible problem, a problem that's new. My bum is glued on, but the tray is glued too. I twist and I pull, I tug with my might. I wriggle, I jiggle, but the glue's holding tight. I think a bum with a tray is not a good sight. Seems I'm destined to have a bum with a tray. But how can I dress shaped in this way? Ah, I have an idea. I see it's quite clear. I need to snip my pants back here at the rear. Cut out the back to let the tray through. A fantastic solution and easy to do. But our mother is looking. Does she want a son with a tray shape stuck on the back of his bum? No, she wants to fix it, to give it a trim. Dad has an idea, but I'm not keen for him to do anything because my new bum is perfect for sliding in mud or in snow. I've a built-in sledge ready to go. Great for sand dunes. I have a blast. I eat lots of beans to make me go fast. Perfect for winning at paintball, you see. And surfing big waves, no wipeouts for me. Hill sliding too, I didn't see. The tree, crash! I've broken my bum. What have I done? The tray has come off. The tray was such fun. I sit and I think, I wonder, and then I go straight back home and I glue it again because being attached to a tray is totally fine. See, all my friends want a bum like mine. But now I'm going out for dinner. I need to look like a winner. I'll dress in my best with my bright yellow vest. The dress code? Don't worry, I'll crack it. I'll wear my purple and green spotted jacket. But this jacket's not right. This jacket's too tight. It's not a good fit. A jacket and tray? What can I do? What can I say? And then I know exactly what to say. I say, jackets away, let's go and play.